How do you make a living room comfortable, cosy, stylish and modern? It can be really difficult to get the balance right, especially when you're working with neutral walls and a small space. I'm going to show you how to make the transformation. It's a really good idea to start by adding a pop of colour in a statement furniture piece. These rich earthy tones are very much on trend right now. This sofa is really fantastic. It's a click-clack sofa bed which is perfect for guests, and then you can pull through the colours in accessories and artwork. Wall art is a really effective and affordable way of adding style and personality to a space. Clever storage is really key to keeping a space feeling uncluttered. These stylish woven storage baskets do the job, and this lovely coffee table has additional storage as well. What's even better is this folding table by Habitat at Argos. It extends to seat up to 4 people and it folds away really neatly when not in use. You can see the rattan storage boxes here work really well against the modern bobble lamp. Also, organic curves are really on trend, and you can see that with this mirror, and really gives a sense of space and brightness to the room. By being clever with your furniture choices and storage solutions, it really is easier than you think to turn a small living room into a stylish and vibrant space.